Resting too much, enjoying food, sex, and confidence, it's all a sin, or at least it used to be in many traditional belief systems and religions like Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and Buddhism. And now all of this is just normal life. And honestly, that's a relief because, for example, for a long time, enjoying food too much was seen as something bad. Enjoying food too much is called gluttony. And now look at us. Food culture is everywhere. Every day we see lots of food blogs, restaurants, aesthetic places, and tasting menus. People enjoy eating and talk about it, share it, and no one feels guilty anymore. And then there is laziness, or what we used to call laziness. For centuries, not being productive enough was treated as a moral flaw, but now we hear a different story. People talk about burnout, depression, anxiety, exhaustion, and instead of shame, there is finally some understanding. Sex and desire are another big one. Desire itself used to be suspicious and something you should control, hide, and suppress. And today we talk about consent, boundaries, and self awareness, not because we suddenly became worse, of course, but because we stopped pretending desire doesn't exist. Same thing with confidence. What we used to call pride or arrogance. Today we call it knowing your worth, setting boundaries, and not letting people walk all over you. And sometimes the line between those two ideas is really thin. And also, questioning beliefs is interesting. For a long time, doubt was dangerous because asking too many questions and doubt religion could get you in trouble. And now, critical thinking is normal, even expected. Questioning doesn't mean rejection, it just means thinking. And then there are rules that still aren't history for everyone. In many places, traditions and beliefs continue to restrict certain groups of people, especially women. And I really hope that over time, societies start questioning customs that cause harm. Because whatever people believe in, human dignity and compassion should always come first. So when you put it all together, it really makes you wonder how many sins were actually about morality and how many were about control, fear, and keeping order. So, which of these sins sounds most ridiculous to you today, and which ones do you still catch yourself feeling guilty about, even though you know you shouldn't?